Ruizhou technology has been specialized in research, development, sale, and service of intelligent CNC cutting machines and related CAD/CAM system. We are located in Foshan City, China, with convenient transportation access. Our company covers an area of 32,000 square meters, with 211 members, and has abundant financial resources. Ruizhou products have been widely applied in soft materials-related areas, such as footwear, garment, leather, products, bags, cartons, lamps, composites, automotive interior, aircraft interiors, etc. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our professional teams are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, ISO 9001-2015 certificates. Ruizhou also was authorized over 70 patents, 23 software copyrights, and 2 international PCT invention patents. OEM and ODM are also welcome in Ruizhou. At present, Ruizhou has supplied intelligent cutting system for over 8,000 famous enterprises in more than 70 different countries and areas, such as America, Japan, South Korea, Spain, Italy, Germany, France, Mexico, etc. Ruizhou is a gold supplier in soft material cutting area around the world. Our products have been well received by numerous enterprises and designing institutes from across the world. You are welcome to advise us your demands with specific descriptions, and a professional solution will be offered accordingly.
Ruizhou has been specialized in CNC cutting machine. Our cutting machine cuts by oscillating line manually. You are welcome to contact with us with your demands. We will offer you the solution accordingly. Thank you.